I'm so bored. I have nothing to do. What should I do today? Let's see here. I don't have any food to eat. The senior center's closed. I ain't got any meatloaf. Honestly, I don't even want to buy anything, and I certainly don't want to go to fast food. Oh, wait. I'm sponsored by Bass Pro. This is a great idea. This is a camping company. Maybe I should go camping. Let me call up some of the guys, see if they want to join me. Hello? Is this Clint? Come on, Truex. I'm on my treadmill right now, practicing for Atlanta. 5 Hour Energy gave me this great simulator, you know. Oh, wait. Never mind, it was Pake. Anyway, what do you want? Wondering if you would like to go camping with me and maybe a few more guys. Camping? That sounds like a great idea there, Truex. I love hanging out with you, buddy. I'm in. I'm Clint. I'll let you know the details. Alright, who's next on the list? Here we go. Mr. Paul Menard. Wow. Let's see if he answers here. Yes. Hello, Paul Menard. Would you like to go camping with me and Clint Boyer this evening?
Hello, Truex. Can I help you with something here? You just seem to have called me.
I was wondering if you would like to join me in a camping trip with me and Clint Boyer.
A camping trip, you say? That sounds like a pretty good idea. Can my friend Reagan come too?
More the merrier. I mean, you two are retiring after all, so why not? Hop in, boys. Let's get it rolling here. Let me just call a few more guys and we'll get this underway. There's a few more people to call here. Let's see. Next on my list, the 7-time champ, Jimmy Johnson. This should be a good call.
Oh, hello there, Truex. How you doing today, friend?
I'm doing splendid. Thank you for asking. I was wondering if you would like to go on a camping trip with me, Clint Boyer, David Reagan, and Paul Menard.
That sounds splendid. Sure, I'm in.
Awesome, Jimmy. I'll make sure to count you in. Well, alright, talk to you. Whoa, oh God, oh, no. Oh, hold on, Jimmy, I fell down. I'm okay. Alright, see you later, Jimmy.
Sounds like you took a tumble like I did in the Duel of the Eights. Oh well, gotta get ready.
Whoops. Oh my goodness, my phone went down deep into my contacts. Holy cow, I haven't talked to him in a while. Looks like I'm calling Mr. Tony Smoke Stewart. Oh no, he's answering.
Hello?
Tony, good talking to you. Long time no talk, but would you like to come to on a camping trip with me? Let's see here, Clint Boyer, David Reagan, Paul Menard, and Jimmy Johnson. Sounds like an interesting idea there, Truex, but you see, I'm just kind of in the middle of, running over small animals. Oh wait, will this be in the woods? Of course it would be. The Nature Channel's really got me fired up. I'm in, let's go. Okay, sounds great, Tony. Let's see here, one more. Let's see here. Here we go. The number 1, Kurt Busch. Let's see here. Okay.
Hey Truex, how you doing, man? I'm not doing anything. How's it going?
What? Hey, Kurt, what's going on?
Nothing, baby brother, bitch. Go back to your room.
What did you just say to me? Listen here, you big little meanie. You took the last bag of pizza rolls without telling me. How could you do this? Just because I'm the king does not mean you have to take my stuff. God, is that Kyle in the background?
Kyle, would you shut the fuck up, man? I'm trying to talk to Truex. Just because I got the last bag of pizza rolls doesn't mean that I have to say sorry to you or go and buy more. Hell, I'm the one that got them in the first place. Would you just stop for once? Hell, you haven't won a championship in a long-ass time. This is the only year you've done it. Hell, I'm your bigger brother. Show some respect to seniority, please.
Look at you talking big, Kurt. I'm the one with 2 championships while you have 1. And you haven't won a championship in a long time. I am the newly crowned champion. Why don't you shut your big hairy mouth down there, Kurt? Shave your beard for once, you nasty.
Well, you know what? The best part of you ran Dad and Mom's leg when Dad and Mom decided to have another kid.
Excuse me?
Yeah, your kindness went down. Oh, look at baby brother bitch fell. Ha ha! Baby brother bitch, how you doing down there? Are you okay?
I'm calling Mom.
Oh yeah, and why don't you tell her how much of an ass you've been lately? God, I can't wait to move out.
You're such a loser.
Of course.
I need an ice pack in my binky.
Okay. Well, Truex, whatever you're doing, I'm in.
Just meet me at my place and please leave him home. I don't need to deal with that. I wonder which one's gonna be the first one to show up.
Oh, don't worry. I got here first. Couldn't handle baby brother bitch anymore. Oh, so I packed my bags and here I am.
I understand that one. Wow, 5-hour energy. Wait, what? Huh? What happened here? What, 5-hour energy didn't get me first this time? Are you kidding me? Now listen here. 5-hour energy is supposed to get me first. No, stupid peak.
Hey guys, what's going on here? Looks like we're having a little bit of a party here, huh, David?
Yeah, looks like it. Let's just go camping here. Oh, look. Wait. Oh, there's Tony. Hey, guys. I ran over some small animals when I came. It's pretty cool. Lots of guts on my car today.
Hey there, guys. How's it going? I brought my campfire and everything because, I guess all laying around in my giant mansion garage type thing. And, rich people.
Whatever, Jimmy. Alright, guys, it looks like we're all here. Thank you for joining me. Let's go camping!
Woohoo!
Whoa, let's get this party!
Where are we going, Truex?
You'll see. The best campfire setup in the world.
Oh, I hope it's not too spooky, Forrest. I still have some nighttime troubles that have my wife put me to sleep.
I understand, but we'll be there soon, guys. Don't you worry.
Let's be far from baby brother bitch's house. Oh, I'm still having my ears ringing and a headache from that ass.
Man, I feel bad for you, Kurt. He is such a pain on the track, I can't imagine what it's like being there at his house,
Good thing I'm moving out soon. They don't pay me enough.
I got you there, Kurt. Alright, guys, we're almost there. Here we are, boys. There it is, the campsite.
Oh, smaller than I imagined.
Shut up. It's fine. We're gonna have a great time. There's a tent and everything.
Oh, baby brother bitch ain't here at least.
There you go, Kurt. That's the spirit. 5-hour energy is carrying me, taking care of me, and make sure I got Tony Stewart on my back. Because his tires gave out. He's leaking oil again. Thank you, Clint. Just make sure you give me 5-hour energy when we get back to the shop. Alrighty, guys, let's go ahead and pack up for the night. Jimmy, good to see you setting up the firewood.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad, actually. Whoop. Yep, that was my time. Lowe's really got me covered.
No, it wasn't Lowe's there, Jimmy. I took you to Menards so I could use my sponsorship.
5-hour energy. Hey guys, I set up the sleeping bags and whatnot over here, and it looks like Kurt's already passed out, guys.
I'm cleansing my mind of baby brother bitch. What was that?
Anyways, I got the tent, guys. Don't worry, I got it all set up. All right. Anybody seen Tony? Yeah, over here. I was just getting rid of all the predators and small animals. There's a lot of them out here, guys. It's great. Sounds great there, Tony. Alrighty, guys. Well, looks like we got mostly everything set up.
Hey, Truex, what are we eating for dinner tonight, might I ask?
Well, let's see here. I brought some deer jerky. I brought some hot dogs we can grill up. And, well, there's plenty of weeds over here, so I mean, But yeah, I got the deer jerky 50% off from Bass Pro Shop. It was pretty nice, let me tell you. Stuff's pretty expensive.
With my sponsorship from McDonald's, I got myself a Big Mac. Baby brother bitch didn't see that. What was that again? Kurt, that was just a bird. Okay.
Kurt's already passed out, Jesus. Alrighty, guys, well, are you hungry now, or, do we just set up the tent and go to sleep, or what y'all want to do?
It's definitely too early. It's still light out. So, let's set up that food. I got the fire ready.
Okay, sounds like a great idea, guys. Let's go ahead and do it. Now for the food, guys. Eat up. I hope you enjoy the deer jerky. Alrighty, guys, there you go. Go ahead and eat up. Oh, looks really good, guys.
Don't mind if I do.
Those are really good, guys. Anyways, it appears to be bedtime, guys, so time for some shut-eye. I'll see y'all in the morning. Have a great sleep, guys. Alright, everybody in the tent.
There doesn't seem to be enough root in here, Martin. Oh no. His will not work. I should have went to Lowe's.
Oh, guys, that's funny, actually. Well, unfortunately, at least 2 of you guys are gonna have to sleep outside tonight.
Oh, baby brother Pitch is giving me a rough day. Don't make me do it, Martin.
Oh, well, from the looks of it, Kurt, Tony, and, who's back there? Oh, Clint.
Come here,
Clint,
you stinky
Clint.
small animal.
You guys have already cleaned
I'll
your
get
spots.
you sometime.
And
Where
since I
is it?
took y'all out here,
Where
I
is
claimed
it?
mine, so it's
I
up to
just want to
Jimmy,
meet you
Menard,
with
and
my
Reagan.
bumper. Come on, where are you?
I'll do it.
Okay,
Let me look
now
here.
it's just up to
maybe
you
it's
and
maybe it's over here somewhere.
Oh, I don't really want to. What about you, Jimmy?
Wait a minute, Truex. I heard something. Wait, yes, that's a squirrel. I'll do it, Tony.
Oh.
There's lots of small
Where
animals
is the
out here.
Miller Lite?
Alright, man, that sounds
Where's
great.
the Miller Lite?
Okay, so
I
Tony,
can't
Reagan,
find
you're
it.
outside. Menard, Jimmy, go ahead and squeeze in and make room for me.
Oh,
They're all asleep over there,
I can't
but
find it.
I'm scoping out. Let's see here.
Doing?
Oh, there's gotta be something.
Hello,
small
this is
animal
me,
over here
Ryan
somewhere.
Priest.
Isn't this great?
What do you guys want?
Isn't this neat?
Ryan Priest is trying to make friends.
Oh, wait a
But
minute.
We're
Wait
going
a
to
minute, what's that?
Kroger because
Squirrel!
apparently Sergeant said I got so violent that I accidentally gave him a headache. So we're gonna get ibuprofen. Yay!
I'm looking for my Miller Lite. I can't find any.
Oh yeah! Miller Lite's starting to go downhill ever since this new Bud Light seltzer came out. Miller Lite must not be made anymore, or at least for a while.
What did you just say?
Bud Light seltzer is coming out. Larson, how do you say that? Seltzer. Seltzer.
I think it's pronounced seltzer.
Seltzer.
It doesn't matter. It's a new Bud Light.
Yes, and it's apparently better than Miller Lite.
Oh, nothing's better than Miller Lite, you fool.
Why hasn't the wifey got you anything? Haven't seen her at Kroger for a while.
She suspended me from Miller Lite like always.
Again? Ha ha! Oh well. Goodbye, Brad.
Oh, don't leave me. I want to find Miller Lite.
Did you look in the woods?
Yes.
Up! Ryan Priest and Larson do not plan on staying. Wait! Brad, if I help you, will you be my friend?
Sure, why not? We can have Miller Lite together.
Larson! Forget the headache medicine! Let's go find Bud Light! Wait, oopsies, the Bud Light seltzer kind of got me a little going. I mean, the Miller Lite! Yay!
You better help me find my Miller Lite. Let's go.
Okay, sounds good to me.
I smell it. I smell it. It's close. Wait, look over there, guys. What's that? Oh, they probably have my Miller Lite, and they're probably drinking Bud Light seltzer. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him and my Miller Lite. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Ryan Priest is going dark. Hee hee.
Oh, I smell it all right. Look over there, guys. I smell it all right. Oh, they definitely have it. Look, guys. There's like a tent. Sleeping. Hey, Larson. Oh, we're all here. Okay.
What's this? Oh no.
Ryan, what did you do?
Martin, right, we should run.
No, they're not waking up. Okay, guys. We're just gonna go in there and see if they have Miller Lite.
Oh no, what's this again?
Ryan, stop it.
Martin, get up. I heard something.
What? What? Oh,
There's something outside of it.
no, it's probably just a squirrel.
You had the Miller Lite bread. Oh, uh-oh. These sticks are everywhere.
Ryan, stop stepping on sticks.
Let's see here. Where are you? Where are you, you dirty rat? Oh, where did he go? Which way did he go? Let's see here. Oh, what do you got? Wait, what? What? What are you guys doing here?
Hey, guys, intruder, capture him.
Ryan, please!
No, the small animals are revolting. These must be the ones from Jimmy's Christmas party that I ran over. Yeah, get off of me, parents. Your son and daughters are dead. Get off of me. I'll run over you too. Get off!
Ryan, please just shut up, old man!
Who? What?
Give me the Miller Lite for bread! My new friend!
Yeah, give it up.
Boy, I don't have any Miller Lite. Y'all are crazy. Seriously, every day you guys make me want to run over smaller animals until they're all dead. Get off of me, you fools. I'm too old for this. That's why I retired.
Take this, old man! Ah!
What? What was that? Wait. There's David. Where's Tony at? Ah! Wake up. Okay. We're all here. Well, we're gonna let those other two sleep. I probably only need 4 of you. Or, well, I can't count. But anyways, it's gonna be the 4 of us. Okay. Guys, where's Tony at? Like, have any of you guys seen him?
Well, I mean, I went to sleep and he was searching the area for small animals, of course. He's always so defensive and aggressive. Oh, yeah, he's probably doing something out there.
Well, I heard a big scream. David, you were out here with him.
old man
What did
be?
you see
I
exactly?
can't see him yet.
I know you were out here with him.
Whoa, what was
I
that?
didn't really
Oh my
see
goodness, what was
anything.
that? Wait, Kurt,
I don't know. I
Clint,
was
Clint.
in a deep sleep, and
Clint?
all of a sudden Tony was gone, and then
Right, Clint.
I don't really
Right,
know,
Clint.
honestly. I'm sorry.
Dang it,
Clint.
David. Okay.
I'm all alone.
Wait. Well, let's go
What's
look
this?
for him. Hey,
Whoa,
Jimmy,
what was that?
You and Rig.
The hell
you
was
guys
that?
go east.
Clint, where are you?
Or me and Clint over here. We're gonna go west to find Tony, and then those two. Well, I guess if Tony comes back, well, they can defend the base.
What
All
the
right,
hell
guys,
was that?
let's find this crazy old man and
I'm all alone
bring
now.
him back over here.
I'm heading back to the
We can't stop
campsite.
killing so many small animals. Soon they'll be extinct. All right, guys. Let me know if you find anything. You got your phones, right?
I got mine.
Yeah, I got that, and I got a personal charger in my backpack.
Okay, Jimmy, stop being a show-off.
Sorry.
All right, guys, let's go. Hi, Kurt. Wait, where's Menard?
Well, you see, Menard, like my baby brother, he farted so loud that it woke me up. So I made him go to the top of the tent to air his ass out.
Oh my gosh, that's actually really funny. Okay, anyways.
How are you doing up there, Menard?
I'm okay. It's still stinky though.
Yeah, that sausage definitely put a ringer in his appetite.
Let me tell you, we got more things to worry about than a Menard fart, let me tell you.
Well, where's Jimmy, Reagan, and Clint? Woke up and all of you guys are gone, but you're back. So, where's Clint, Reagan, and Jimmy?
Boy, oh boy. I hope Jimmy and Reagan are okay. Basically, Tony went missing, so we went to look for him. They went west. We went east. I took Clint with me. Clint's missing now, apparently, along with Tony, so both 14s are missing. And I don't know where Jimmy and Reagan are. I hope they're still looking for Tony, but I don't really know. What was that? Oh no! Not again! What was that? Oh god! Wait, Jimmy, where are you? Wait, what is that? Who's there? Who's there? Oh god! Oh! Oh my god! What? What happened?
Well, Reagan, I can't
No.
see him anywhere.
Kurt,
Tony
where are
always gets
you?
overhanded with all this killing.
Kurt!
Man, that man's crazy enough that
Okay,
he
man,
actually went missing
Man,
at
what
3:30 in the
hell
morning.
was that? Oh, that was.
Have you gotten
that was
anything
really
from Martin?
weird. What was that?
Not a thing, but
I don't even know.
Looks like on our phone we don't have cell service.
Oh man. I don't know. That
No,
was
maybe we
weird.
should start
Right,
heading
Paul?
back. You don't know who it's out.
Paul? Paul, where'd you go?
That's true. I'm
Paul?
hearing a lot of noises.
Paul!
You know.
Whoa, what was that? Paul, where are you? What was that? Paul? What's happening? Jimmy! I've lost two of my friends now.
Reagan!
Oh, where did they go? Oh no. I really hope Reagan and Jimmy are okay. I hope Jimmy isn't
Reagan!
lost too. He's a smart one
Reagan!
for sure. I'll dial him
Reagan,
up.
where are you?
Wait, what? No
Don't
cell
leave me
service?
alone.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Reagan. Oh. We're gonna get back to Martin. Reagan, where are you? Reagan! I gotta get back fast. Oh my god. I gotta run. Oh no, there's that sound. Oh, run! 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 Ah! Ah! What's that? Ah! Ah!
Okay. Oh, I gotta find them all, man. I can't live like this. I cannot be the cause of murder if that's the case. Because, I mean, they just disappeared and that's on my watch. Those three man.
Come on,
I
guys.
really want to know what that banging sound was. Oh, this is ridiculous, guys. Where are you? I gotta go after him, right? Oh, man. Let's see what's in here. Right now, dude. Oh, my goodness. They're holding my friends captive. Wait. What the hell? Is that Brian? What was that? No! What was that noise? I knew he would be at the bottom of this thing. It's getting louder! Let's go. What's happening? Wait.
You guys are so scared of me.
That can't be good. That can't be
Put me
good.
in my own jail cell.
Oh god. Oh god. What should I do?
If I get out of
Should I
here,
hide in
you
the
guys
tent?
are dead meat.
I'm gonna hide in the tent. I
Alright,
don't know
you
what to
idiots.
do.
You better
No,
give me
I'm
my
going to the
Miller
tent.
Lite, because I
Oh god.
I smell it on you.
There's a corner.
I
What
know
was that?
I know you're in here.
Oh wow. What was that?
Give me my Miller Lite. Wait, what the?
I knew you'd be in the
gonna
bottom
follow
of this,
him.
Brad.
I shouldn't. And this
No,
may be
once I
dangerous.
flip over,
But it's the only way to save my friends.
gonna
if
get
they have
you.
them.
Oh,
Let's
Brad, why'd you do it?
I want a Miller Lite.
Oh, you're such an idiot. Do you realize that Kroger stocks Miller Lite every frickin' Friday?
What day is it?
It's a Monday, dumbass.
Oh shit. Oh shit. I gotta get back there then. Maybe they'll have some in the back room.
Oh my god, okay. Oh, you're such an idiot. I'm gonna kill you! Let me out of here! Come on, Brad! Kroger has a sale! Yay! Let's go!
Sorry. They made me do it. I didn't mean to.
I hate you. I hate you so much. You're gonna die. Alright, guys, let's go. I hate camping. I hate you. You're gonna die.
I call this one the Campfire Song. Let's gather round the campfire and sing our campfire song. Our CAMPFIRESONG song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along. CAMPFIRESONG song. CAMPFIRESONG song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along. CAMPFIRESONG song. Patrick!
Song! CAMPFIRESONG!
Squidward! Good! It'll help! It'll help if you just sing along! Oh yeah!
Came in our man. What the hell is that?